How to create read-only channels on Discord mobile. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Discord. Open the channel where you want to create read-only channel. Then click on arrow which is facing right, and then go to settings or server. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on channels. Then click on the channel you want to create read-only. You'll find channel settings pop up. In here, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Go to permissions. In here, go to advanced view. And then in rules, there's everyone. Click on it. In here, make sure you scroll down till you find text channel permission and make sure send messages is blocked. And also send message in threads. After that, scroll down in the same, you'll find send text to speech message blocked as well. After you do that, your read-only channel will be created. Even after doing so, people may be able to write something else as well. It's because of other rules of your channels. This is how to create read-only channel on Discord mobile. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.